Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter H. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर H का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter H. Letter H पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo! Shabash! The sound of letter H is H. 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 Letter H की आवाज है H. 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 Trace the letter H with pencil. अब आप H पर पेंसिल फेरें. Shabash. Now we will read keywords from letter H. अब हम H से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. H. House. H. Horse. H. Hen. H. Helicopter. H. House. H. Horse. H. Hen. H. Helicopter. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. H letter, hen, hen, hen.
H letter, hen, hen.
H letter, pen, pen, pen.
H letter, pen, pen, pen.
Circle the letter H in the given letters. इन letters में H के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. Shabash. Connect horse to the toy horse with the help of lines. Connect hen to the chicks with the help of lines. Connect kangaroo to the rabbit with the help of lines. Shabash. Dear teachers, ask children to name H words. Introduce letter H with phonic song. Help children develop a story with the given words with pictures and play cards. Children will make a small picture book of letter H. Teach vocabulary as sight words with pictures or play cards. Repeat the words hand, hen, hut, honey, hook, helmet, hammer, hunter, and helicopter. Ask children what other things they see in class that start with the letter H.